Assalamu alaikum my dear viewers. In today's class we are going to solve a question on the projection of planes, and we have chosen a question which has a double rotation. In last class I have shown you how to give the single rotation. Now in today's class I will show you how to use the double rotation in projection of planes, and we have taken a question, and the question is a regular pentagon ABCDE. So we have taken a regular pentagon ABCDE whose one of its side is 40 mm and its one corner A. So this corner A is on HP, so this is on HP. Its side CD is parallel to HP and the side CD is parallel to HP and inclined at 45 with the VP. So one of its sides, that is CD, which is parallel, and that too is inclined with VP at 45 degrees. The plane of the pentagon makes an angle of 35 degrees with the HP. So the plane is making the 35 degree angle with the HP. So I will make you understand what does it mean. Draw its projections keeping the corner point C. So this point C is in front of VP. It will be shown at 70 mm away from the VP that is shown in HP. So this is the question. My dear students, first of all we have to take care of this condition. When the point A, so this is the point A which is in HP and it is making an angle of 35 with the HP shown in VP. So that is the first case. So we are cancelling this inclination, 35 inclination with HP. So we are keeping the pentagon like this. It is on HP. So first of all it will be seen in the top view. So we will draw the true shape of the pentagon in top view. Let me draw the first condition. I'm cancelling this 35 degree inclination with the HP. I'm cancelling this. So let me first draw. Side of the pentagon, as you know, is 40. So I will draw the 40 mm. So this is the side of the pentagon. Then you know the exterior angle of the pentagon, that is 72 degrees, and the length of that is 40 mm. So like this, and now I will rotate mini drafter scale at 72 degrees the exterior angle. So I will draw the pentagon, that is 40. So this one is 40. Now connecting these two. So this is the first thing which we need to do. Measurements here, then keeping the one leg of the compass here, cutting an arc, and one leg of the compass here, cutting an arc. Now joining these points with the respective sides. Point A, so this is my A, this is B, C, D, and this is my E. So this is how we have to draw the pentagon first. The second thing which has been said in the question, that is the point C is 70 mm in front of VP. That means it will be seen in HP. So this is away. So from point C I'll measure 70. So it is here. I will draw the XY line. Now from this point, from C point to XY line, the distance is 70 mm. This one is 70 mm, and the side of pentagon is 40 mm. Now after doing this, we have to draw its front view. What we have to do, we are looking from this end to the pentagon, and we have to draw the front view. The front view will be seen in XY line because this pentagon is resting on HP. So we need to produce these points with light lines. So this portion needs to be darkened red pen. So this line. So I have to name these points. So from here if we look at, I will see this C prime, and behind is D prime, that will come in brackets. B prime E prime, then A prime. Okay, this is what is the initial state. Now let's go to its inclination. Now A is in HP and this A is in HP. We have to raise the side like this, and this is making an angle with the HP. That angle is 35 degrees. Let's mark this point here. Let's say this point is A prime, and we will raise this line at an angle of 35 degrees. So this is 35 degrees. So I will draw a line at this point. So let's see how much this line is. So what we'll do, we'll keep the compass here, we'll measure this line, and now I'll cut this line here. So this is the second end of the line. So this point was A prime, and this is C prime, D prime, and finding this point again with the compass, keeping the compass here, measuring this, now cutting this line and naming this line. It is B prime, E prime. Now we need to dock this actual line, which has an angle of 35 degrees. This angle is 35 degrees. Now what do we need to do? We need to fix again the drafter on XY to keep it on 0. Now producing these points up to the HP and intersecting with each other. So when we look at from here, so how we can see in the top view, so let me draw this. So this is A prime, so this is my A, this is my B, B comes from this, B comes from this, so this is my B point. C comes from here, C comes from here, so this is my C. D is here, D is here, so D. And this is E, and this one is E. So now let's join these points together. So I will join these points together with a dark line. If you have not subscribed my channel yet, so please do subscribe my channel and also press the bell icon. See, this is the top view of the pentagon. Now we need to go for the condition 2. Now what it says that the side CD is making an angle with the VP. That means this is the stage 2 of the plan. We need to rotate this side CD at an angle of 45 degree with the VP. This side, which was like this earlier, now it should make the angle with the VP. That angle is 45 degree, but same time this side is parallel to the HP. Remember this thing, this is making an angle 45 degrees but parallel to the VP. So what we need to do, we need to redraw this figure at an angle of 45 degrees. So what I will do, I will make a line at 45 degrees. I will fix this drafter at 45 degrees. So I will draw a line here at 45 degrees. So we need to draw the line here at 45 degrees. Now on this line there is the side CD. So let's produce this point here. So side C. So let's call this point is my C, and we know this is true. CD is the true, which is 40 mm. So I'll measure here 40 mm, which is the true length. So this is how we need to draw. So this was my C and this point is my D. Now we have to redraw this. So how we can redraw this? It's very easy, my dear students. We need to find out the center of this line because this is bisecting this point. So how do I bisect this? I will take a compass and I will start bisecting this line CD So you can see this point is the bisector of the line. So on the bisector I will draw a line. At the bisector I draw a line. Now what I need to do, I need to find the point A. How we can find the point A? Simply we are redrawing. I'll keep the one leg of the compass here, another at A. See, at A. So I will keep one leg here and another here. So this is my point A, intersection here. This is my point A. Now what else I need to do? Now I will keep the one leg of the compass at A, another at E. So one leg here, another at E, cutting an arc. Same one at A, another at B. So similarly I will do one leg here, another here, cutting an arc. This is how we need to do. Then one leg at D and another at E. So you can see how I am doing this. I am basically reproducing the points. So this is the one point, this is the another point. Now we need to join these points together with the help of the scale or with the mini drafter. So I'll use the red pen to connect these points together. This is the second rotation which we have given to the pentagon. (45°). So this was CD was making the angle with the VP at 45°. So this was A, this is B, and this is E. So we have redrawn this with the condition that it was CD was making 45° angle with the VP. Now nothing needs to be done. We need to again produce these lines up to the front view or up to the VP. Simply produce these points. Now getting these points from the other side. So this was my XY line. So I'm producing these points so that they intersect with each other. Now let's see which point has intersected with what. So this was D point and D comes from this end. So this is my D. So this is my D prime and C, and this is my C prime. This is B and this is my B prime, and this is A and this point is my A prime, and this one is E and this point is E prime. Now even to distinguish, you can even write D1 prime, C1 prime, B1 prime, and to just simply distinguish. Now we need to join them together. Then A with E1 prime, and similarly E1 prime with D1 prime, and this is, we need to connect them with each other. So this is the end picture of the question. I hope you enjoyed this question. If you really enjoyed this question, please do subscribe my channel if you are new to my channel, and also press the bell icon so that you will get the notifications, and please do share this channel with your friends. Thank you very much for watching me.